The family of a man being held at ICE detention says his health could be in jeopardy while awaiting his hearing. Thanks for watching. I'm Josh Rowe. A release from the Whitfield County Sheriff's Office says Carlos Salazar was arrested in June for driving with a suspended license, failing to yield, and giving a false name to officers. The Sheriff's Office says he received adequate medical care during his time in their custody. Salazar spent 15 days there before being transferred to the Stewart Detention Center in Georgia, where he could face deportation. Fox Chattanooga's Ray Collado spoke with Salazar's family about those medical concerns and the conditions he faced while in custody at the sheriff's office.
When we finally heard from him on Monday, he wasn't fine. He said that his blood sugar spiked up to, it was over 400, and he couldn't see out of his right eye.
This is Carlos Salazar. Yvette Hurtado says for years he's been a part of her family. However, after 2 weeks in Whitfield County Jail, he was taken into ICE custody at the Stewart Detention Center. Hurtado says Salazar has type 1 diabetes, and she's worried her mother's partner isn't getting the medical attention he needs.
Human decency is also a thing, so he's a human. He's not just an undocumented immigrant. He's a human being who deserves basic human care, and they failed to do that.
We reached out to Whitfield County Sheriff's Office with the family's concerns. They tell us a transport record shows that Salazar went to the doctor 4 times while in their custody, along with trips to the eye doctor and a specialist. However, they do know that HIPAA protects an inmate's private medical information. The Whitfield County Sheriff's Office says Salazar was arrested due to driving with a suspended license and giving a false name to an officer, along with failing to yield. The Sheriff's Office says while they do sympathize with Salazar and his family, their office has conducted their inmate sick call protocol per their policy. However, Hurtado says that policy just isn't enough. Speaking
up more, we could hopefully make a difference on how they treat people in the jail system, because in the end they're human. Everybody's human, and they don't deserve to be treated like that. It doesn't matter really who they are, because that's somebody's loved one in the end.
In Whitfield County, Ray Collado, Fox Chattanooga.
Salazar's family told us a GoFundMe has been set up to help cover the cost of hiring an immigration attorney. A link to the fundraiser can be found in this story on our website, foxchattanooga.com.